What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to Universal's Volcano Bay. It has been so long since I've been here, so I thought, why not check it out and see what's new here in the year 2022. And the parks have been busy, both Disney and Universal, so I want to see how busy are the water parks during this time of year. Let's go have some fun at Orlando's best water park. So I've been walking around Volcano Bay for a little bit, just trying to get a lay of the land to see actually how busy it is here in the park in February. So this is technically, kind of off season for the water parks. Not a lot of people come to the water parks during this time of year, but it's not that busy. Every ride I have gone by and seen has been a ride now. So basically just go in line. It's basically a walk on for Volcano Bay is what they call it. Now, the only ride that had any kind of wait here at Volcano Bay this morning was Krakatau, which is the water roller coaster, the most popular ride here at Volcano Bay. That was about a 35-minute wait, so I had to use my Tapu Tapu, which if you guys don't know what a Tapu Tapu is, let me explain. So the Tapu Tapu is basically a magic band for all you Disney fans for Volcano Bay, and all you gotta do is go up to a ride, tap into the ride, and it waits for you, and then it gives you a return time. So whatever the ride is, 30, 40, 50 minutes, and then you come back at that time. Then when your wait time is over, the Tapu Tapu will notify you that it is your time to return to the ride and ride it, just like mine did for Krakatau. So it was just about a 35-minute wait, not too bad, but let's go ride the best water slide here at Volcano Bay. This is the time to come to Volcano Bay. You have great weather, and it is not crowded at all. So just to show you guys that it really isn't that busy today here at Volcano Bay, this is like the rapid river, so you get to have a life jacket for this, quote unquote lazy river, and it is completely empty. No one is in it. I might go in it later and be the only one inside of it, but yeah, I've never seen it this empty before. Normally it's filled with tons of people. This is crazy. Water's freezing. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, it's so cold. Big drop. Whoa! Oh my gosh, this water is freezing. So I just got off Krakatau. It was so much fun. If you guys have not ridden Krakatau, it is literally the best water slide I have ever been on. So much fun. But I want to show you guys this little secluded area behind the rapid river, lazy river. This is where I decided to sit my stuff today. It is very secluded, all to myself. I mean, there's a couple cabanas that families have, but it's a great spot to get away from the crowds. Very relaxing, very quiet, and you have an amazing view of Volcano Bay. And then back behind where I sat my stuff, you have these very secluded little walkways around the back of the park. It is so nice, and if you guys just kind of want to get away from the crowds here at Volcano Bay, highly recommend coming over here. I mean, look at all this space. Literally no one's over here. It is currently 12:45, and I have not seen a single soul go through the rapid river here today at Volcano Bay. I wonder if the water is freezing cold, or maybe they're not allowing anyone in right now. But I've been here for a couple hours and I have not seen a single person go through. It would be really cool if I got this whole thing to myself. We might have to try that a little bit later. Now, I know it may seem busy here at Volcano Bay, but I can tell you this. The wave pool is always gonna be fairly full, and Krakatau is always gonna be a long wait. But other than that, everything here is a ride now, which you rarely ever see, especially on a beautiful day like this here in Orlando, Florida. So this is very empty for Volcano Bay. I've never seen every single ride besides Krakatau be a ride now. So I am here by myself today, so unfortunately I cannot go on the bigger raft rides because you need at least 2 people to ride those rides. So today I'll just be doing Krakatau, the lazy rivers, the wave pool, and then some of the little tinier slides around the park here. But let's go to my second favorite slide here, and I think the most underrated slide here, the Ono and Oh-Yah slides over in the back of the park. They're the slides where you launch into a 10-foot pool of water. They're so much fun. Let's head over there and ride the Ono slide. So I forgot to tell you guys earlier, but after I got off of Krakatau, I decided to tap back in because it was a 105-minute wait. So I've waited about 50 minutes so far, only 55 minutes left. But let's head over to the Ono and Oh-Yah slides. just finished up at the Oh No slide. It is so underrated and so much fun. You all definitely have to do it when you come here to Volcano Bay. But now it is time to go to the wave pool, ride Krakatau one more time, and go to the 2 lazy rivers. Let's go have some fun. So I know I've said this a bunch, but I have stayed at Cabana Bay, but I have not stayed in these towers that overlook Volcano Bay. It would be so cool to like wake up in the morning, open your curtains, and have an amazing view of the volcano. Maybe I'll do that this summer, but I also, the next time I come here, I want to rent a cabana. I don't know how much they are, but just chilling in a cabana all day just seems so relaxing and so much fun. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys want me to either stay here in the tower at Cabana Bay or rent a cabana the next time I come. So since it has been a while since I've been here to Volcano Bay, let's go to the Walteria Marketplace and check out some of the Volcano Bay merchandise you can get here at the park. If you all are enjoying today's video from Volcano Bay, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel a lot. So I've had a lot of fun here today at Volcano Bay, and I hope you all are enjoying today's video. But I won't lie, I've had some creator block the past week or two trying to figure out what I want to do, what I want to film on YouTube, what I want to show you guys. But some exciting news, if you guys don't know, in 2 weeks I will be heading to Germany, Disneyland Paris, and Paris, France. I'm so excited about that. But in the next 2 weeks, if there's anything you guys want to see around the Orlando area, anything you want me to show you guys, any park you want me to go to, let me know down below in the comments. But I am really excited for this Europe trip, and I hope you are just as excited as I am. It's going to be amazing. There's going to be a ton of videos. It'll be my first time in Disneyland Paris since I was a little kid. About 8th grade was the last time I went, so I'm really excited to go back and see if I remember things, all the new things. It will be the 30th anniversary of Disneyland Paris. Unfortunately, Avengers Campus will not be open, but it'll still be a lot of fun. But let me know what you guys want to see in the next 2 weeks down below in the comments. So I'm currently walking to the wave pool at the moment, but I wanted to let you guys know there are a ton of delicious food options here at Volcano Bay, from pizza to pasta, burgers, literally anything you think of, tacos. So many great food options. I will not be eating here today because I'm not here for that long and I'm not even that hungry, but I will say there is some delicious food and some of the best food I've ever had at a theme park, let alone a water park. And for everyone watching that is 21 and older, they do have some really good drinks at the bars. So not only are these Tapu Tapus your virtual wait, but they can do some pretty cool things around the parks. There are a bunch of interactive water features and some really cool photo ops where you just tap your band and it takes your own photo of you, which is pretty cool. Make sure to check out all the different little interactive activities you can do with your Tapu Tapu around the park. now looks like the Rapid River is open. You do need a life jacket to go in. Let's go have some fun in the Rapid River. This water is freezing cold. Now, there is the body plunge slide, which plunges you down 125 feet down the volcano, all the way through here. If you guys see a little glass tube right there underneath the water, you can actually have a little viewing area and watch people come down. It's pretty cool. But I will not be going on that today because I just don't feel like climbing 200 stairs right now. Just doesn't seem like a lot of fun. But everyone, if you do enjoy body plunge slides, that is one I highly recommend. It is so much fun, and you come down in 5 seconds. Crazy. Well, everyone, that is going to be it from my day here at Volcano Bay. If you guys enjoyed today's video and have not done so already, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and make sure to ring that bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. But like I said, it was such an amazing day here at Volcano Bay. It wasn't busy at all. Obviously, the wave pool is super busy, and Krakatau hit over 100 minutes, but that's kind of natural here for Volcano Bay. Two of the more popular things here at the water park, but everything else here in the park was a ride now, which is kind of rare. Normally anything else has a wait, but literally every other ride besides Krakatau had a ride now, which was awesome. We got to go on so many fun slides. We got to do the lazy rivers, both lazy rivers I should say, and the wave pool, which is always fun. But we will be back soon, and I plan on renting a cabana the next time I come. I don't know what all that entails, what all you get with it, so it will be cool to see, and I definitely will have a video on that. But once again, that is gonna be it from today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.